Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start with a quick verification so you don't chase the wrong problem. First, make sure the phone is unlocked and has 10% battery. Low power can throttle audio. Next, open the media volume panel and slide the media bar up. This is the most common cause. Once done, switch to the native music app and play a track. If it sounds normal, a third-party app is likely at fault. If not, continue. Now you dig deeper. Reboot the phone and test audio again to clear temporary glitches. If the issue persists, boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app is muting media. Safe mode disables those apps. Make sure Bluetooth is off and no headset is connected, and visually inspect the speaker mesh for debris. Once done, reset app preferences and verify app sound permissions so the system can route media. To finish, clear cache and data for music, system UI, and media storage, then retest. Cached corruption often blocks audio routing. If that fails, back up your data and perform a factory reset to remove deep software corruption. After the reset, restore selectively and test media before reinstalling all apps. If you still hear nothing, try a USB-C DAC or wired headphones to rule out the speaker. If external audio works, seek hardware repair. That's the key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.